Vorrei richiamare sul palcoscenico due amici, due grandissimi amici, grandi artisti con cui sto collaborando e ho collaborato con un brano che in questo momento è nelle radio in promozione, il mio nuovo singolo che si chiama We Is The Power. Loro sono i Bloom 06.
Don't you understand? The word is in our hand. There's no stopping us now. How our time has just begun. There's no liberty. We've got no facilities to distinguish our souls, justify our dreams. There's no use in closing your eyes. All alone we never survive. It's impossible now that we're taking control. Now the sky's the limit no more, but you're lost if you lock the door. And if you don't understand, where's the power? We've got our hopes and dreams to keep our ever hearts together and burning forevermore. We are the power of the universe that shines forever. We is the power we have. We is the power you have.
Time begun. We is the power. We is the power.
There's no cruelty, no more frailty. Use the fire deep inside to discover who you are. Your identity makes up your reality. No more need to compromise if you wanna stay alive. Don't you know that just the day's gone and tomorrow's all that we've got? But today is the fight that we've got to face. Make this unity we come home and just soon be part of the show. And you're gonna figure out we's the power. We've got our hopes and dreams to keep our ever hearts together and burning forevermore. We are the power of the universe that shines forever. We is the power we have. We is the power you have.
Let yourself go to your passion and hunger.
Let yourself go to your passion and hunger. Let yourself go.
And let the fire in you guide you further.
Oh, let the fire in you guide you further and
Keep up
further.
your head.
We is the power.
We got our hopes and dreams to keep our ever hearts together and burning forevermore. We are the power of the universe that shines forever and glow like one of the stars. We got our hopes and dreams to keep our ever hearts together and burning forevermore. We are the power of the universe that shines forever. We is the power we have. We is the power you have. Grazie.
Un grande applauso ad una straordinaria artista, Alexia. Complimenti. Ciao Alexia. E qui i nostri Bloom 06 che